Good morning, everyone. We are continuing here in these very beautiful words of the Meshiv Nefesh, where he's inspiring us to develop our relationship with Hashem. And he quotes today from the Zohar, a fascinating idea. Im hayu Yisrael yoidim, if the Jewish people would only know, ad heichan be'emes magaas avas Hashem yizbarach aleim, how much and how truth the love that HaKadosh Baruch Hu has for us is, Hayunoyamim elav kekfirim ka'arayos. They would roar towards Hashem like young lions and older lions. Says the Zohar, if a Jew would only begin to understand how much it is that HaKadosh Baruch Hu loves them, if we would realize how much He cares about us, how much He's looking after us, we'd come running to the Ribbono Shel Olam, like the lion cub runs towards its mother, like the lions run towards their father, like the lions roar when they are full of strength and power and energy. So too will be the inner strength that a person feels when they know how much it is that HaKadosh Baruch Hu loves them. And the Chavetz Chaim Zecher Tzadik Livracha wrote once a letter to a father who, Rachmana litzlan, lost one of his children. And the Chavetz Chaim writes, Avas Hashem Yizbarach Leisha Yisraeli, the love that Hashem has to a Jew, who Yoiser Mimasha Adam Oyev La'atzmai, it's much more than the person actually loves himself. Could we imagine? Think to ourselves how much we love ourselves. We're all about self-preservation, trying to get what we want, things that we feel that we need, looking for ways to get ahead, to succeed, to get blessings, to have nachas, to have all the good things coming to us. We love ourselves. As much as a person loves themselves, says the Chavetz Chaim, HaKadosh Baruch Hu loves you much, much more. And perhaps this will be the chizuk, this will be the strength that we need to realize why it's so vital that we have a true, working, close relationship with Hashem. Since that He loves us so much, since that He's watching over us so much, and He loves us even more than we love ourselves, it's incumbent upon us to develop this relationship to the best of our abilities. We should come running like the lion cubs who come to their mother. We should roar like the lion, the king of the jungle, when we realize what we are invested with from HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And if a person will reach that, realizing how deep the love is that Hashem has for us, this will fill us with such pride and such confidence, and we'll feel so good about ourselves, knowing that Avinu Shebashamayim, our Father in heaven, with everything that's going on in the world, He never forgets about us, He never overlooks us, and He never stops loving us with all of His might. We should be zeicher to feel this love, to recognize this love, to be aware of the ava, the tremendous deep feelings of love and adornment that HaKadosh Baruch Hu has for us, how much He loves and adores the Jewish people for who we are. If we think like that, and we feel like that, and we believe like that, we'll be filled with such inner strength, such inner happiness and love of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We'll spend all the energy that we have forging the most beautiful relationship in the world that we possibly can with Hashem. Wishing everybody a wonderful day, a day in which we feel the true love that HaKadosh Baruch Hu has for each and for every one of us. All the best.